Hello, namaskar, and welcome back. I'm a boy who loves to do video editing as a hobby. One day, I saw a dream where I landed on the heaven. Wow, I think I'm in the heaven. After walking for a while, I finally met with a god. After the hours of trash talking, the god said me that
Make a video in mobile and go feed the milk to your kid, the audience.
okay, I got it. Bye. I know this is a kind of brain rot animation, but it was not the fault of animation, it was the fault of script. However, I tried to write a good script but end up with this kind of brain rot script. I failed to implement the script because of some resources problem. And talking about the resources, I used pixverse AI website and kinemater and flipa clip and at last animating pen. This is the animating pen you can see on the screen. I bought it around 2 years ago. I did not remember the price, but it can be around 300 rupees. I bought it for the cheap price because I have the habit of buying the cheapest thing. In order to create animation, one first need to generate some images. Like I can generate images from the nano banana. I'm generating an image of a boy who is typing on the computer screen. Like, so I can give a prompt like generate image. It is fine. The nano banana have generated the image, and I just need to download it. And after the download, I just need to open this website, which is called pixverse.ai, and here I need to select the picture. I need to select the scene for which I need to generate. I want to generate the animation. Now I need to give what I want with that picture. Like I gave a simple prompt, make a character doing typing. So it will take 20 credit, and I have 35 credit. If you make new account, it will give you 90 credit for free. So there are previous videos which I have created here, and here is the watermark. You can hide it by giving a logo, and or can use any other watermark reviewer. By generating many scene of that kind, one can create an animated video from that website. So that was the process for it, and from after that you can put that video to your editor software to edit this video. Now about the other step, like one just need to open flipa clip. I animated that in flipa clip for the lip snack. Like I don't have credit to do. If someone have money, one also can do a lip snack from the Google view. Like for example, this is the example of lip snack. I did it in flipa clip. This lip snack is created in 6 fps. You can see 6 fps. Every lip snack I have created in the 6 fps. but one can create like the demo are in 12 fps. One can create according to their comfort the animation. Then you can export your lip snake from here. In this app you need to draw lip snake for each frame and then export it, make a movie, and it will be shown to your gallery. And then the last step is edit it in kinemater. Like I have exported all the scenes in the kinemater. You can see it from here. Everything I edited in the
Make a video
kinemater,
in mobile and
and
go feed the milk to your kid, the
like from here.
audience.
Okay, I got it. Bye. And the best feature of the KineMaster is that you also can have a feature like this. For the better audio, I uses the equalizer voice and add some reverb in it, and it will enhance the quality. Don't use voice remover reducer kind of for the video. It will damage the audio. And auto caption is very good feature. Voice changer I don't use. And then mixer for auto volume. Snack with the background music, you can also use the auto volume. And this is how you can edit any clip of your with the help of KineMaster, Flipa clip, and pixverse. And you can create a kind of animated video with these app.